Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. I have got a limited edition beauty bag from ASOS. It was released about a week or two ago. It's the Travel Essentials bag. Inside contains 9 beauty items. It has a value of £111 and is currently on sale for £42. I'll pop a link to it down below in my description, and sometimes ASOS have discount codes. So if there's one running at the minute, then you'll see that down there as well. But also down there, you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, let's get on showing you then what's inside. I love a bag, as you know. I find them really hard to give away. But yeah, I'm filming downstairs. I started filming upstairs, but it is so hot in there, so I've come down here. Lighting is not as great, but hopefully you can still see everything all clear. And if you start hearing panting noises, it's my 2 golden retrievers behind you. They're really hot, bless them. They're really, really hot. So yeah, so you get a little card. It tells you briefly what it says here, but it says, going away this summer, whether it's a vacation or staycation, we've packed this box full of beauty must-haves for every stage of your trip. From travel size skincare to non-negotiables like SPF, add these to your carry-on. It's a thing with these jam-packed bags. I can get the products out all right, but getting them back in again is another question, isn't it? But yeah, it's full. So let's start with ARKIVE. So this is the Reset Dry Shampoo. This is ARKIVE by Adam Reed. So a nice big one, 176 mils there. What's it say about it? Our ultra fine dry shampoo cleanses and refreshes hair instantly with modified starch to absorb excess sebum and baobab oil to soften the scalp. Don't be scared. This is just to make sure your scalp stays nourished. This is the ultimate deep cleansing wonder for when your hair needs a refresh. It smells like no one else. So there's that. Then we've got Lancaster, and this is Golden Tan Maximiser. So it's a 1-month tan prolonging after sun lotion essentially, and there is 50 mils there. I've always given this away. I'm SPF 50. I never tan. I'm head to toe SPF 50 all throughout the summer, so yeah, it's pointless on me. It might be a nice cream, a moisturiser maybe. What's it smell of? Oh yeah, it is quite fragranced. Yeah, it smells really nice. It feels really nice on the skin. I've just tried it on my thumb there. That feels so nice. Or maybe I might keep it then, just as a body cream, regardless of whether it'll help keep a tan, which it won't. Then I got Wella. It's another hair product, and this is, oh gosh, what is it? Is it CR? Oil Reflections anyway. It's Luminous Smoothing Oil. There's 30 mils there. Can you see? I haven't seen this one before. And the writing is so small. Does it even say anything? No, it doesn't say anything about it. So it's a smoothing oil. Let's try a tiny bit on my hair. Ooh. Yeah, just a tiny bit. You see the frizz here? That is my natural hair. These longer bits are fake hair, but this is my natural hair there. So I've got loads of different lengths going on. I've got to be really careful with oils because it can make my hair, especially my natural hair, look awful. So we'll compare this side to the other side. Yeah, that looks better. I've still got some on my hands there. I don't want it flat. I don't like my hair completely flat. But no, I think that's all right. Oh, well, yeah, it's sort of. It's all right. I wouldn't say it's groundbreaking at the minute. But, yeah, it's okay. We've got Sunday Riley, and this is Tidal Deep Hydration Plumping Serum. Delivers a surge of multi-layered hydration, restoring elastic, dewy bounce. And I can't even see how big that is. It's probably like 5 mils or something. So that's a really teeny tiny one, especially, I'm not sure if you could see, it's only up to there anyway. Is it 5 mils? No, it's 8 mils. But yeah, you've only got half. So you can have a go or two, see if you like it. Then we've got Anua or Anua, I never know how to say that, Zero-Cast Moisturising Finish Sunscreen, SPF 50, 50 mils, brilliant. Love a Korean skincare SPF. Oh, this doesn't run out until 2029, so I'll leave this one in its box. Maybe, and that's what it looks like. I like it. I like that you can stand it up like that. Extra information about it is daily moisturising sunscreen formulated with hydrating, gentle ingredients, helps protect the skin from sunlight without leaving residue or a sticky finish, and has a low white cast. So it's not zero cast, it has a low white cast. Which one is it? But yeah, looking forward to trying that one, but not right now because I have got a few on the go that I am dipping into. Got some sheet masks here. This is Patchology, Serve Chilled, Rosé Eye Gels, Strawberry Extract, resveratrol and hyaluronic acid, and there's just a pair in there which you leave under your eyes for 5 minutes. I do love these. I use these type of eye masks all the time. Just feel amazing, especially in hot weather like we're having now. Yeah, really, really nice. So there's those. Then we got Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Magic Cream Immediate Skin Revival Moisturiser. It's 7 mils here. It's a nice cream. I've never bought it, but I've had it in beauty boxes numerous times, and it is nice. I tend to go for it more so in the winter when I want something a little bit more, you know, thicker on my face, because my skin changes obviously throughout the seasons. Yeah, it's a nice cream. So yeah, this is a sample, isn't it? It's a tiny, tiny one. Yeah, 7 mils, super small, but you can try it once or twice. Engage your opinion if you've never tried it before. Then we've got a SPF lip balm. This is Ultra Sun SPF 30, lip protection and care. And yeah, SPF for your lips. Nice lip balm as well. SPF for your face and your lips in this bag. And then lastly, we've got a face mask. And this is by Anua, or Anua again. And this is Peach Sempty plus Niacin. Niacin Brightening Collagen Mask. So it's a brightening mask with niacinamide, peachenia and collagen. A colour-changing collagen mask with solidified essence to help the skin feel firmer and smoother, and rich and nourishing peach water and collagen. That sounds really nice. I haven't tried that one. And there you go. They all come in this clear, square, zip-up bag. So we've got a sheet mask. We've got eye masks. We've got an SPF 50 for your face, SPF 30 for your lips, a little sample moisturising cream, a smoothing oil for your hair, a deep hydration serum for your face, a tan extender body cream, and then lastly, a huge dry shampoo for your hair. The Travel Essential Beauty Bag from ASOS is worth £111 and can be bought for £42. What do you think of it? Are you going to get one? Do you think it's great? Do you think, nah, do you know what? Nah, I'm not going to get it. I'd love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. Please let me know. But yeah, I think it's all right. There's some nice products in there, but I do think I prefer some other Travel Essential bags that I've unboxed over the last month or two. But yeah, as always, I'm curious to know what you think. So yeah, so take care and I'll see you soon.